friends, I am Sneha Savla. I am an audiologist and speech language pathologist. Welcome to Sparkling Activities. On this YouTube channel, we show you all different creative and innovative activities with the help of easily available household objects, and we share a video every Wednesday. So today's video is a continuation of the previous video where we had shared 4 activities with the help of these cloth clips. So these are your pipe clips and these are your regular clips. In the previous video, we had shown you all activities only with the use of clips. Today we are going to show you all 4 additional activities where we will require these cloth clips, and in addition to these cloth clips, we are using these soya chunks. So these are also very easily available in our houses. As you all can see, the shape of this particular soya chunk is slightly circular. So we are going to show you all 4 activities with the help of these clips and the soya chunks. So let's get started. So for activity number 1, what we will require are these basic clips. So these are your basic clips and not the pipe clips. So we are going to use these clips and do the activity, and in addition to that we will require some soya chunks. So what I am going to do is, as you all can see, I have placed some soya chunks over here on the table, and what I am going to do is not pull the stem of the clip. Instead, I will hold the clip in this manner. So I am not holding this closed end facing towards you all, but it faces towards me. And I am going to pull the stem and I am going to lift this soya chunk with the help of this part of the clip and not the regular part that we generally fix on the clothesline. So I will show you all this activity. So what I am doing is, I am using my thumb and my index finger and I am pressing the clip, giving the right amount of pressure so that I can pick up this particular soya chunk and put it in the bowl over here. So this is a very simple activity wherein what we are required is to do a fine motor task of holding the clip in the right manner, pulling the stems in the right manner and adjusting the pressure according to the size of the soya chunk. So if you want to make this activity a little difficult, instead of keeping the bowl very close to you, you can keep it a little far so that you have to hold this pressure for a while and then release the soya chunk in the bowl. So it's a very simple activity. Now as you all can see, what I have done is I have also included my middle finger as I required to put in more pressure. So it depends on you to adjust your fingers as per the amount of pressure required. So this was our activity number 1. Now let's move on to activity number 2. So for activity number 2, I am going to take these pipe clips. These are the pipe clips which have a broader middle opening. So what we are going to do is, in addition to the clips, we are going to take some soya chunks. Now I will require 4 clips for this activity. So what I am doing is, I am going to arrange these clips in this manner. So as you all can see, I am using 4 clips of different colors. You all can use the clips that are easily available with you all. And what I will do is, as you all can see, I have arranged the clips in this manner. I am taking one soya chunk from here. I am going to hold my elbow in this position and I have to put the soya chunk in the middle space that is there in the clips. So it's a very simple activity where I do not really need to pull the stem of the soya chunk of the clip, or I do not need to kind of put any kind of pressure. Instead, I have to focus on the clip and my hand movement so that I can put the soya chunk in the middle portion of the clip. So if you want to make this activity easy, you can keep this soya chunk, your hands, your fingers a little closer to the clip, and if you want to keep it a little more difficult, then you can keep a particular distance. So you can say that this is the target and your hand or your fingers cannot go beyond this target. So if this is the target. Now as you all can see, this was a little difficult task. So this was our activity number 2. Now these activities are very easy, like the activities that we are going to show you all today. They're all very easy activities and they are slight modifications of general activities that we may be doing on a regular basis with other objects. So now this was our activity number 2. Let's move on to activity number 3. For activity number 3, I am again going to use these regular clips. And as you all, if you all remember, in the previous video, we had shown you all a tower where we can make 2 clips stand on the support of each other. So this is what I have done, and I have taken one soya chunk over here. Now because this particular soya chunk is slightly round in shape, I have to use my thumb and my index finger and strike in the manner that we strike for the carom game. So I'm going to strike it, and this is what happened. So my tower fell down and the soya chunk did not go on the other side. So the target is that I'm going to strike from this direction and my soya chunk should go on the other side without the tower breaking down. So this is how it should be. So this is again a very simple activity wherein your children learn to strike with the help of their index finger and their thumb, and also they enjoy this activity as it is a very fun activity and something which is different from the regular schedule. So now let's move on to activity number 4. For activity number 4, I am again going to use these pipe clips. What I am doing is I am arranging these clips over here. So I am going to arrange 4 clips over here. So there are 2 on my left and there are 2 on my right. So again, as you all can see, I am using colorful clips. Whatever is available with you all. If you all have just a single color, that is also okay. And I am just placing one soya chunk over here. Now what I will do is I will, with my left hand, pull the stem of the clip, pick up this particular soya chunk in the clip, and in the space over here within the clip, I am going to release that chunk. I am going to again put the clip in the same place. Now since I used my left hand, this time I am going to use my right hand, pull the stem of the clip, hold the chunk and put it in the middle space over here. And I am going to keep the clip back in the place. So this is like a relay game where what we are doing is we are shifting the position of the clip. We are shifting the soya chunk from one clip to the other. And at the same time, we are doing a bilateral activity where we are using our hands in an alternating manner. And finally, I am going to release the chunk over here. So this is a very simple activity. All these activities are going to target your attention concentration, your fine motor skills, your visual perception, your spatial perception. So a lot of goals that can be targeted with the help of this activity. So also, as you all can notice, what we have done is we are showing all different activities with the help of soya chunks and clips. If you all want, you all can instead use green peas or something else which is slightly rounder in shape and which is similar to these soya chunks. So these were our 4 different activities for today. I hope you all liked the activities. Please go and check out our previous videos. They have a lot of activities relating to household objects. So please do like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel Sparkling Activities. I will see you all next Wednesday. Bye bye.